Okay, friends, on the last slide, we wrote about the characters and the setting. Now, on a new sheet of paper, we're going to write about three important things that happened in the story. So, on your new sheet of paper, this time you're going to draw two lines down the middle, just like we did when we were writing yesterday about the events in Brave Irene. So, I'm going to take a line and go straight down the middle, and then another line straight down the middle. And that way I have three sections. Remember, you can also just do this on a blank sheet of paper. So do that first. All right, now let's start thinking about what we're going to put in each box. Remember, we're going to think about the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story. So let's go back and think about what's happening in the beginning of this story. I'm going to show you a few pages. It's hot. Mom tells her to stay inside. She plays with her shadow instead. Choose one thing that happened in the beginning of the story and draw a picture of it in the first box. When you're done drawing your picture, think about a sentence that you might write with that. So I might say, first, it is hot. That might be my sentence that I would write here. And if I were going to write that, I would say those words again and underline. It is hot. And then I would write each word. I know how to spell it and is. Those are sight words. And then the word hot, I could tap out. Hot. So I might write it is hot. Hot. And put a period at the end of my sentence. You might write about something else. You might write, she played with her shadow, or she stayed inside. Choose one thing you chose in your picture, say your words out loud, and then sound them out or use your sight words to write them. Click pause until you finish this first part, your drawing and your writing. Now let's go to the next part. Let's think about what happened in the middle of the story. We know she was playing outside and it was so hot. And then, she also had a popsicle. And then what happened in the middle? Draw a picture of what happened in the middle of the story in this middle box. When you're finished drawing your picture, say a sentence out loud that can describe what happened. So I might think, it rained, or she danced in the rain. Whatever sentence you think, say it out loud and then write some lines for each word. I'm going to say, it rained. Then I'm going to use my sight words and sound out words to fill in the blank. It, I know is spelled I-T. It. It rained. I don't think rain is one of my sight words. I'm going to tap that one out. Rain. Rained. Okay, I hear a. Oh, I hear an A. Rained. Oh, I hear a D. It rained. And then I'm going to put a period. That's my sentence. Yours might look a little different from mine if you drew something different. All right, so go ahead and press pause and work on your picture and your sentence for the middle part. What happened in the middle of the story? Now let's go to the last part. Let's think about what happened at the end of the story. So after it rained, what happened at the end of the story? Draw a picture. And then just like the last part, so you're going to think about a sentence, say it out loud, and write a line for each word. I think I want to say, she played at the park. She played at the park. That's 5 words, okay? She played at the park. Now I'm going to write each sentence, each word. I don't know how to spell she, but I hear an S sound and an E sound, okay? She played, played, played. She played at the park. Arc. Arc. She played at the park. Great. Now, you don't have to have the same sentence as me. If you chose something different, or if you're thinking something different, maybe you might just say she played or she went to the park. Think about what you want to write, say it out loud, and then use your sight words and sound out words to fill in the blanks. If you need to pause or go back to any parts of this video that you didn't finish, go ahead and do that. Take your time and take a picture of your work when you're finished. Good luck, everybody.